Hi, it's Alistair at Lazarus Training here. Just thought I'd quickly check in with you. I'm here in the bright sun, which is in my eyes at the moment, over at a venue we use in Bracknell, near Reading in the UK. And we are here running a first aid in remote locations course. Now this venue, if I move around slightly, you'll be able to see a nice countryside, nice green English countryside, lots of woods and forests that we'll use. Perhaps I'll try and do some more video for you from some of these other sites later. But the area that I'm in at the moment is the area we use for our road traffic accidents. See a couple of the vehicles that we use around. Now, I'm not a gambling man, but if I was, for anyone travelling the world, a road traffic accident, road traffic collision, car crash, whatever you want to call it, that is what I would suggest is going to be the main threat to life on most of the travels of our clients. Horrible statistics. In the United Kingdom, for every 100,000 people, 2.9 on average die from road traffic accidents. But we're here today running for a team of documentary makers that are travelling over various parts of the world, and for example they're off to Colombia, where if I remember correctly the figures are something like 16.9 in comparison, and to a number of other areas where the risk of death from car accidents is up to 5 times as high as in the UK. The other factor, I guess, that we need to think about is that here in the UK and across much of Europe and many parts of the world, there's a really good emergency response to incidents, whether it's done by the fire service, the police, some parts of the world, even the military and the ambulance service. But in many parts of the world, that the help is going to be delayed at best, and often not what we would expect from our home countries. So we have to build some resilience into the training, and we have to get people used to the idea that they may be operating with a delay from help, there may be no help coming, or that help in itself might pose some risk to the colleague that is injured. So quite a lot of ground covered today on the course. They're currently getting some input on what to do about a road traffic collision. One of our trainers, Paul, who's had 30 something years in the fire service dealing with accidents, is giving them all that sort of knowledge distilled down in some real takeaway points over the next half hour or so. And later on in the course they're going to find themselves dealing with all sorts of mischief over here, and see more vehicles there with injured people that they're going to have to care for, and letting them rehearse their actions and working together as a team come up with an idea of how to care for the people within the framework that we've given them. So I'll leave it there for now. Go off, enjoy the sunshine a little bit more, and I'll try and catch some more video explaining what we're doing here on this first aid in remote locations course as the days progress. Bye then.